Access to reliable internet help ensure kids can do the research they need for class or attend virtual school. And high-speed internet allows small businesses to communicate with suppliers. The sky is the limit for when Wisconsinites are online.
Wisconsin will soon be receiving more than $1 billion for broadband internet. The federal investment will be used to expand access for underserved homes and businesses across the state. Fox 11's Brady Meyer shows us the facts.
More people across Wisconsin will be able to connect to the internet thanks to money from the federal Broadband Equity, Access, and Deployment Program.
It's vital for all Wisconsinites to have access to reliable, affordable broadband service, and we can't leave anyone behind.
The program was included in the 2021 infrastructure bill. The funding allocation will rely on the FCC's broadband map, which was recently updated.
We didn't start this process out with very accurate maps, but there was a robust procedure that allowed communities all across our state to look at the data so that we would have a real accurate reflection of where people are unserved.
U.S. Senator Tammy Baldwin says an investment in the state's rural communities is overdue. According to the FCC, about 246,000 total locations in the state are unserved. The percentage of unserved communities in Wisconsin is 3% higher than the national average.
Access to high-speed internet here in 2023 is like having access to reliable phone service in 1973. Being able to work from home, streaming services for entertainment.
Those areas can be found all across the state. Residents in Outagamie County have felt the negative effects of the lack of internet.
For us, it's a big priority. We've got an arrangement with a local company, Bug Tussle, that is going to build out the infrastructure to allow for hookups to at least 10,000 family households and businesses.
That's why County Executive Tom Nelson had previously invested ARPA funds into expanding services. The $1 billion from the federal government will provide relief for much of the building costs, and that will allow counties and municipalities to focus on implementation.
Working at the individual household, small business level to try to get as many people hooked up to that infrastructure as possible.
States will have until the end of the year to submit initial proposals for how they plan to use the money. Funds will be distributed after those plans are approved. Brady Meyer, Fox 11 News.
The funding for the program will be issued in 2 stages. 20% will be distributed in the summer of 2024. The remaining 80% will be awarded in 2025, a year later. The state will be responsible for spending that money.